Hi buddy, welcome once again. So there's this question that I've been asked a number of times, based on my previous video that I made about TimeBucks, right? That is it true, or is there proof that TimeBucks pays? So today I want to maybe show this kind of proof that it actually pays. Now for those who are trying to get to understand how online jobs really works, there's no shortcut. I'll really recommend that you start with TimeBucks, because it's a very good platform that gives you a variety of jobs, be it surveys, be it watching videos and so on. So this particular platform can always pay you. So let's find out if actually it pays by looking at the proofs of my previous payments. All right. So, alright buddy, thanks for subscribing. Now, if you're joining us for the very first time, feel free to click the link within the description so that you sign up, right? Again, be reminded that I've already shared a lot of information about TimeBucks in my previous video. I've also shared the link, so you can always check on my previous video about TimeBucks. So today, purposely, I want us to see how, or the proof that actually this particular TimeBucks pays. If you are starting off with your online job journey, I will recommend that you start with TimeBucks first, because it provides various ways, as I'd mentioned, on how you can be able to earn online. So once you have signed up, you'll just sign in, right? Sign up process is very fast. You just need to provide your email address and then you will be ready to go. So I'll log in. Just a minute, let me just refresh the page. So I'll log in so that I be taken to my dashboard. So as I mentioned, I'm not really going to take a lot of time taking you through all these. I'll just proceed and show you how, or the proof that this particular TimeBucks really pays. Now if you are starting off, again, I've mentioned that you can always come to the earn tab. There are a lot of ways that you can earn from this particular platform. So there's content, you can see the surveys. Let me just run you through very fast. There are a lot of surveys. Look at this money, you can always make that money from the surveys. You can see a number of people from different countries, right, making it. They're doing the surveys. So survey is one way that you can earn money from this particular platform. You also have content. So content allows you to watch or actually click on some kind of ads, for a number of time, and then you get paid also. You can see also we have different categories, slides, shows, and so on. We also have the tasks. Now this is the main area that you can earn a lot of money. So there are a lot of tasks. You can see the total amount here is $22 US. You can always earn from the task tab again. We can also refer, offer. I mean, the list is endless. Also we have sweepstakes. So every time you log in and do some tasks, you always stand a chance of winning some kind of sweepstake, right? So there are a lot of ways that you can really earn from this particular TimeBucks. So I normally say, instead of roaming around the internet looking for online jobs, you can always just come to TimeBucks and it offers variety of jobs. Anyway, let's proceed to what has brought us here. So payments, I'll click on the payments just to show you if it is true that this particular TimeBucks pays. Now it's long since I did a number of tasks, so I have not been paid for a while, but you can see, right, the amounts I received, through which particular method, type, date, status, and receipt. So I won't mind to click on the receipt so that you can see, right? So I'll just very fast display it. So you can see the method, the amount that I got, that is 11 USD. You can 11 and 24 cents USD. You can see Yeah, you can see it is tallying with what I have here, right? So these are proof. If you really wanted the proof, this one is from Timebugs. Yeah, the receipt is from Timebugs, right? So these are efficient or sufficient proof that this particular platform really pays. So if you are still wondering if it pays, then I don't have any other way to show you. So the other step that you might maybe require to do before you get the payments is to proceed to the settings, right, and then select the right payment method, right? You need to select the right payment method. So I normally recommend you select the airtime, right? Airtime option. So if you are from Kenya, you can always use this particular option to receive your cash. So how do you get the airtime? You just need to sign up. It's free. So it's also one of the ways that you can always get money to your account. So the good thing with airtime, just click on join, and then you sign up in that particular sign up form. In my case, I'll have to log in because I've already signed up, right? So it's a straightforward process, yeah, for the airtime. So after 7 days, I think, yeah, after 7 days, you can always get your money within your airtime account. Now within the airtime, yeah, you can always you can always channel your money to M-Pesa or Kenyan Bank for that matter. So if you want to use M-Pesa, you can always transfer your money to the airtime first, then channel it to your M-Pesa account. Straightforward, right? So I think, ladies and gentlemen, that now actually marks the end of these questions that people have been asking about if this particular platform really pays. So it has paid me. If you want to earn a lot of money from this particular platform, you will need to spend a lot of time. You need to spend a lot of time doing all these tasks, yeah, so that at least you realize this amount of money that people earn from that. So I think that is it. If you have any question, kindly comment. I will always answer. All right, thanks.